What is up, CC fam? Can you believe that it is May? What the heck? It's gonna be May. Okay, sorry. So I was at a conference the other day and I was reminded of something that I think isn't said enough. Your content always comes from your strategy, not the other way around. And so, for those of you watching this, if you've been struggling to send in videos lately, it's probably because you don't have clarity on your strategy. Because if you knew who you were trying to reach, what problem they have, and how you're solving it, then it really gets easy to decide what content do I need to piece together to achieve that goal. Take an hour or so and just get away from the hustle and bustle of your day and get back in alignment with your strategy. I promise you, if you'll do this, it will help your content get a whole lot easier. And of course, if I can personally help in any way, please let me know. Love and appreciate you guys. Talk to you soon.